Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to talk about wigs that are not thick enough, okay? So our sponsor today is Wig Section, and they sent me this travel brush which I love. I keep it in my work desk, so if I need to like touch up my wig, I have it right there. And this is the hair, deep curly, 16 inches, 13 by 4 lace front wig. It has all of the trimmings, all the combs, the adjustable straps, lace on the front, lace on the back. It's pretty much your standard lace front wig. We do have Swiss transparent lace with bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, and it actually looks good, guys. When I put it on, you're gonna see as the video progresses. But I did brush it out so that I could detangle it before washing. It makes it so much easier for me and helps me not mess up my hair. I am using Mono's Hair's Curl Hydrator shampoo. I do not like it. I really don't like her products, but they're okay. They do their job, but I don't like them for my natural hair, and that's why I'm using them on my extensions so that I can finish them. We are going to go ahead and use the conditioner on the hair and really work it in. It's curly hair, and curly hair deserves conditioner. I'm using my Maven brush to brush it out, and you can see the lace there and the deep bleached knots and all of that, and it looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. When I uploaded the Jana collection video, some of you really liked this wig, but yeah, I'm drying it in my swirly curly turban towel for about half an hour before doing all of the work. I don't want any dripping while I work. First cut the lace, then define the curls. And I'm using my Glossy spray by Uncle Funky's Daughter to make sure my hair is shiny when I define the curls. Following up with my Curly Magic, it can make your hair look ashy, and it can cause minor flaking, like very soft flakes, almost sandy, dusty flakes. So I always start with oil, then I go in with my Curly Magic so that I don't have that problem. And I'm also using mousse. It's just like a triple threat right now, but mousse and Curly Magic work beautifully together to get the ultimate defined curls for me, and just a really nice soft hold so that when I release the casts, the hair looks good and it's not weighed down. So I'm gonna let all of this dry for about, what, half an hour? And here I am, same day, putting the wig on. It's kind of like a helmet right now, and the helmet look is good because I can easily break the cast and fluff out my hair. So you guys are gonna see the volume just mushroom. But that's coming later on. Right now, I have to make sure I secure my lace in the front. Using my Got to Be Glued freeze spray, I just want to stiffen the lace around the hairline because I'm not really interested in having a long-term style. So a little bit of freeze spray will stiffen that lace, keep it on for the day, and then I can safely remove the hair at night, and I can do it again the next day and the day after that without having too much buildup. And it's a nice way for me to protect my hairline when I have wigs on. So this works beautifully for me. I will show you guys a video with Got to Be Glued, but check out the sideburns. The wig does not fit the way I want it to, and that's why I'm focusing more around the part area, because this happens from time to time. Sometimes a wig just doesn't fit perfectly on my head, and I'm totally okay with that. As long as the final look is suitable, I'm okay with that. This happens a lot, and I've done videos on this before, but you can see how stringy the hair looks. Part of it is because of the products. Another part of it is because the hair is more dense up top than it is at the bottom. So to make it full, we are going to start by loosening these curls. Spray our hands first with oil, and then using my fingers to separate and make sure I break that cast as gently as possible. But a little frizz is not a problem. In fact, frizz makes it look a little bit more natural. Sometimes having too much definition gives off a synthetic vibe, even when the hair is 100% human hair like this hair. I am perfectly fine with a little bit of frizz. I'm gonna keep working it. This is probably the most tedious part of the entire routine, but it's well worth it because you can see the volume is coming. We're not done yet. but the volume is coming. And see where we came from and now where we are. This is good progress, and what I'm going to do is use my Afro comb to pick my hair at the roots and really fluff it and volumize it. It's already looking a lot better, a lot more voluminous, a lot more palatable, and this is something you can do when you have a wig that just doesn't seem to give you the volume that you want. Really get in there, get to those roots and fluff it out. Now, I had somewhere to be, but please take your time doing this because you'll only have to do it like a couple of times a week. And this is our hair. I need to take care of the part area, get some powder in there, but for the most part, I'm done. So this is what we're looking like after fluffing it out. And turn around. I do have more hair up top, so if you have a lot more hair up top, don't use your comb there so that you don't have too much of a poofy look up there. But if you have some frizz that you want to get rid of, use some Lottabody and that will take care of that. Moving right along, I am putting my powder in my part and along my hairline where the baby hairs are. I really didn't do anything with my baby hairs. They just kind of fell in place, which I'm happy about because I am terrible with baby hairs. So I hope this helped anybody whose wigs are a little bit too thin. Use a lightweight defining product and fluff, fluff, fluff. Thank you so much, Wig Section, for sponsoring this video. All details will be down in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, take care of yourselves and I look forward to talking to you in my next video.